The Republicans continually get on the floor and say we can't afford to do health care. They have it exactly reversed. We can't afford not to do health care. Health reform is more than a health issue, it's an economic issue for sure.
We know what the record says about the small businesses of America. In the last 15 years, they have created nearly 2/3 of all the new jobs. So in the midst of this recession, we need to give small businesses across America a helping hand. One of the things that we want to help them with is paying for health insurance for the owners of the small businesses and the people who work for them. We know that they face the highest administrative costs of any businesses when it comes to buying health insurance. We want to bring that cost down. In fact, we do. An economist from MIT, Jonathan Gruber, has said that our health insurance reform bill will save small businesses 25% in health insurance premiums. That's $65 billion a year over the next decade. Those who argue that we are not changing the health care system, which we hear from the Republican side, ignore the obvious. Our effort is to make health insurance more affordable for individuals and small businesses. And when small businesses can afford the basics of life, like health insurance for the owners and employees, it means they can also be competitive, stay in business, and hire more employees.
In Michigan, we have for a decade now seen the direct relationship between jobs going overseas because of lower health care costs in other countries. Our legislation is estimated over 10 years to save big employers $9 billion, in addition to the important savings and tax credits in the bill for small businesses. It's estimated that $9 billion translates into 3.5 million jobs.
This is about jobs. It is about the economy. It's about our businesses being able to hire employees and to grow instead of just having to pay increased health care insurance premiums.
The premise is simple. A healthier workforce becomes a more productive workforce. And more productive workforce means a healthier economy.
This is a win-win. Win for better health care for all Americans, but a win for creating jobs at a time when we surely need to do so.